pitching the tent. The kids are safe and snug in a warm car, playing with their toys, having some screen time. The car is a total mess, but that doesn't matter because they're warm and safe. Are you guys enjoying this rain?
Yes.
Do you think we are?
No.
Totally not. But anyway, that's one way of pitching a tent in the rain. The rain has stopped, or it's just drizzling. And we managed to offload some of our essentials, like our self-inflatable mattresses, our sleeping bags, our stretchers, our clothing kit bags, just the bare essentials for our kitchen. So after that exhausting exercise of setting up the tent in rain, I'm glad you guys are having fun. We can finally make some lunch, as we have not eaten anything today except for breakfast, and it's about 4 o'clock. So Lily's gonna make us some nice rolls. Emma has already attacked the tin of baked beans, as she could easily live on that. So this is what it looks like. And we are camping for the next month. Still drizzling a little bit. I have to do this really quick. The Blueshins are nice and close to us, and they are very quiet at the moment in the forest. Trees are covered in a sort of a moss. Beautiful. You can see it gets a lot of rain. Yeah. That's our view.